I'm using the GoPro on the gimbal. So, plan is call AAA and get somebody inbound to that location and then just trail the car or follow the trailer home, get it dropped off here and figure out what's next. So, truck day.
Trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get bullseye, hit it the most, there's no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen.
And I'm fucking hungry now, so that's cool. But I'm still a little bit sick. Not that that matters. Truck day. So, I'll check in later. I'm nervous. Rightfully so. 1967 Chevrolet C20. Long bed, 2-wheel drive, 305 with a 4-speed. Let's go. Okay. Wow. Loud without the headphones on. So we're stuck. We're stuck in traffic, obviously. Oh no. The guy's cool. So I gave him the ETA. First thing I did when I hopped in the car. Look at me. First thing I did when I hopped in the car was I called AAA, and I was surprised I didn't hit any snags. I was expecting to, because this thing's in Washington, so I was kind of expecting me to give her the location, and then she was gonna go, like I wouldn't have service in that area or some stupid shit. But thank God here, it's so loud. We're good to go. It's the only downside is that it's gonna cost me. That's the downside. That's the downside. So we're fucking stranded in traffic right now. Look at me, goddammit. I wish I had the face tracker still on this thing. I'm fucking starving. You know what I want? I want like a candy bar. I want like one of them, God, what are they? The fucking Break Fast, you know, Take 5, whatever. The gas station candy bar, you know? That's what I need, baby. I need that shit in my life. All right. Truck day, baby. Fucking truck day. It's gonna cost me about fucking $300 and some odd though. So it is what it is, baby. But they're gonna drop it right off at the house, and I'm just gonna follow them home. You know, essentially, I'm gonna try and beat them home actually, because I want to be able to get there and have everything. At least have the garage open. I don't know. Maybe kick some shit around. I'll see what they can do. You know, if they gotta put it in the driveway, that'd be fine. I don't want to get the Z stuck though. That's my main thing. So I want to get, yeah. I guess it wouldn't matter. I wouldn't have to get there ahead of him, but you know what I mean. All right, truck day. I literally almost forgot the cash. I'm not kidding. I almost forgot the money for the truck I was going to pick up. I was like packing tools and shit, and I'm like, oh, that envelope full of cash. I should probably bring that. My God. All right, I'll check back in later, folks. It's time to get hyped. Motherfucking truck day! Truck day! Alright, so another check-in. I'm sweating my nuts off. There's a shitload of traffic out here, but thankfully not going my way. So, a guy called me, told me he was on the way. Stop it. Look at me. He was about 30 minutes out. I'm about 30 minutes out, so I told him what the dealiosis was. And yeah, the guy, my truck guy knows I'm coming. I gotta go back to the 6th gear. All right, well, I'll keep this short and sweet. We're probably about 15 minutes out. I think we're gonna pull this off. Yeah, it's gonna be a bitch getting home. Fuck. I'm gonna get some food. I'll tell the guy. I'll give the guy the address and maybe even show him a picture of like, cause I got the camera out front, so I can point, kind of get an idea of what he's in for, just in case he does get there before me. So I think I'll probably do that. Motherfucking truck day, baby! Truck day! All right, I'll check in with you guys in a bit. Oh, look, pink boxcars. Look at that. That's kind of cute. All right, bye-bye. So, truck day. This is my 3rd installment, I think. Complete. Truck is inbound. And remember, folks, sometimes it's easier to ask for forgiveness than it is permission, okay? It's technically illegal for the AAA guy to tow this vehicle because it didn't have any valid tags on it and it wasn't mine. at the time, or like technically he's not supposed to take it. I can't roll my window up, so it's gonna get loud. But the guy's cool because all tow truck drivers are cool. Kick-ass guy. He's got that bitch locked down, chained the fuck up. I trust him with my life, and I know that truck's gonna make it safe. I think he's going a different way than I am, but I've already paid for it, the transport, and I've shown him a picture of the front, the driveway where he's dropping it off, so he's gonna have an idea of like what to expect. I told him where to put it, so it could very well be we go home and the truck's just there, because he's done his job at that point. So yeah, no gas tank, and there's some issues. I mean, it's an old truck, but yeah, we got us an old truck. Yeah, all right, I think I'm gonna get some food. I'll see you guys later. I will see you guys later. Okay, Timmy, you're a YouTuber now. We're doing this. We're doing this. Whistling diesel shit, baby. Better get used to being on camera, right? Looking at the camera, not just having it on your head. Yeah, man, truck day. Okay, so I'm still out. Truck is home. I'm trying to give the traffic a little bit of time to die down, and the Z is cooked. So we got food, and the truck is already home in the driveway, hopefully. Guy called me not too long ago, let me know. Yeah, he asked me what side of the driveway I wanted it on. I got the keys with me, and I have zero plan. But from the sound of it, it'll at least be in the driveway, so that'll be good. Yeah, so we're gonna head home and maybe go live. I don't know. I think it'd be good to hit the gym. We got plenty we could do. Anyway, yeah, maybe I'll get some shots of the truck, maybe, and then we can maybe actually make like a full YouTube video, you know? Because if there was ever gonna be a time for me to start doing that kind of shit, it'd be now, right? Old truck, you know, it's now or never. So yeah, maybe actually do like a YouTube video, you know, going to pick up my 67 or, you know, something like that. Anyway, let's get home. First day of the rest of our lives, huh? All right, we're almost home. I'm trying to actually film enough content that we can make it into an actual video. But it's been a hot day stuck in traffic, but I'm excited. I think it was worth it. That's really all I got. But yeah, truck day. We're in downtown Portland right now. So, oh, what a shithole. That is all.